Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Melbourne, Florida, where on July 24th, 2022 at 9:47 a.m., a Melbourne police officer responded to a Walmart located at 1000 North Wickham Road in reference to an intoxicated male on a motorized scooter on aisle 13, grocery side. Upon arrival, the officer met with Melbourne Fire Rescue, who was assisting the defendant as her investigation begins.
Good morning. Good morning. Accurate.
Probably in a long time.
So he's been here for about an hour. Was driving around and then got to the point where he's running into everything, and we made it this far. Open bottle of vodka that got spilled all over me when I tried to take it away from him. Yeah, he's not talking. He let us take his vitals. That's all.
You have an ID? Where's your ID? Where's your ID?
I would answer her questions.
Where's your ID at? You have a wallet?
Is it blue?
It's a phone.
Looks like a check. Yeah, it's fine.
My man, where's your ID at?
That's another phone.
Where's your ID at? Hand it to me.
Yes, sir.
You gonna throw up?
Alright, get your ID out.
Show me your ID, man.
It's like talking to you.
Where's your ID at? Hello? Where's your ID at? Keep going. Tell me your ID. Are you going to puke? If you're going to puke, please throw that way. Okay. ID. Where's it at?
There's one down there.
It's right here. Move your hand. Can you get county here to transport him to the hospital for me?
Yeah, go see that real quick.
Mark, any of those yours in here?
Let it go.
So those headphones?
I don't have selection for it. I'm pretty sure they're ours, but
You want me to leave them?
yeah,
Leave them? All right. Take these off. Because we know these aren't yours. Is this your charger? Yeah? All right.
Yes,
What?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Alpha 51 to Melbourne, clear teletype. Alpha 51 to teletype, 1 by number when you're ready. Nah, that stays. It's gonna be.
Stay hydrated while you're eating.
We kind of lifted it. We didn't have to.
Where was that at?
It was tucked in there when we got here. It's very good. We lifted it up to see it, and I took it away and tried to whistle.
Oh, okay.
I guess they got off. You want this?
Yeah, that's gonna go with
Little
us.
bit.
What? You live here?
So these came in.
You live here? No? Is that your backpack? Backpack? Is that your backpack?
Yes.
Yes.
It's mine.
Okay, is that your bottle of vodka? Is that yours? Is that yours? Came out of your backpack. Watch your back.
Where's it?
51. That stays. Not yours. 26. Thank you. Back to primary.
Did they call for a rescue?
Yeah, it just came in as a medical call. Let me see.
It's 81.
He's too money on one of the Walmart
15
scooters.
minutes since I got pinned down.
They weren't at the little restaurant, so they should be good.
Okay. I'll go ahead and do that then. It's just me. Yeah, he also had an open bottle of vodka in his backpack. Yes, sir. Yes, there was no lid on it, sitting inside of his backpack.
Fine cream mushroom? 2.
Okay. Can do that then. No.
Make it ourselves.
Alright, so do the 58 Lima and then bring it back to the station to do the other. Okay. Alright, I'll do that. Thank you.
What'd you do? Take off the rescue? Oh, yeah.
Alright, so he's actually going to be going with me.
Getting that over top, guys. Okie dokie. Yeah. Sounds good. Come on, Keisha.
I just might need some assistance to get him out to my patrol vehicle. Did you see a lid or anything for that?
No.
Oh, dude.
Are they taking it or are you taking it?
Nope, I am.
Oh, okay.
I just need assistance to get him outside of these.
So you want to wheel him out on the stretcher? Or you just want us to?
Yeah, put him on the stretcher and then we'll put him in the car.
There you go.
Can we do that?
Can you do that? Yeah. Alright. We're going to sit on this and we're going to take you out of the patrol car, okay?
Alpha 51 to Melbourne stamp 1015 for 58.
No? You still ain't fix that thing?
No.
They're not gonna fit it. You're never gonna get to it.
Do I look like Fleet? Nope. Nope. We're going to move you over to here.
Go hop on the bed.
Can you do it yourself? Come on, dude. Come on.
Hey, go hop on the bed.
Come on. We're going to move over there.
Oh, he's looking.
No. No.
Don't do that.
There's no way to disable it. I already asked. It's
Go
active.
get on the bed. Make this easier on yourself and go get on the bed for me.
Come on.
Go sit over there. Go sit in that seat. He didn't like you calling him.
Go get on the bed.
There we go. Come on, man. Let's go.
Stand up. Come on, spin around.
Let's go. We got all day.
All right.
Sit back this way. You're not gonna help at all? Okay. Yeah, good morning, huh? DUI driving a motorized vehicle?
Yep.
Can you really?
Can someone get a DUI or
Yep.
Like, in here?
See?
I'm doing it for an open container, and then I'm going to do a full sobriety on him when we get to the station.
You're gonna do a full spread? That's not gonna happen. Pretty lit. You turn it. Careful, he doesn't throw up in your car.
It's a simple machine.
I know, but I couldn't drive
It's for old people. You can't even figure it out.
Yeah.
So how did you say this was? Was sitting inside of his open backpack?
Yeah, it was inside the backpack.
And the backpack was in the basket?
It was in the basket, yeah. So I started reaching for it, so I picked the backpack up and it kind of struggled with me, and then I got it.
Hold on. All right, my man, give me your other hand. No, stay there for a second.
You guys here for that lady with chest pain? Anything else?
I get one more time.
Stop moving.
Stuck, man.
Can I help?
He said a little, but I don't think it's more anxiety. To the doctor.
Take it home.
Yeah. So
No?
I'm sure she want to get seen quick enough. It's true.
Keywords.
Hey.
All right, my man. Hopping in the back seat with me.
All right.
Chest
Come on. Come on. Come on. Get
Wake
up.
up.
Yeah, but her main complaint wasn't chest pain, it was just breathing.
Oh, okay.
Those two don't go together up there. Like I said,
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. Watch your head.
You said you can have it without?
Yeah, it's crazy me up there.
All right, have a seat.
Take a seat up in there, bud.
If she gets seen quicker.
All right, gotta have a seat.
There you go.
I held over more of Palm Days. Really? Palm Days suck. Where you district.
All right, all the way in.
We still beat Gurney over Palm Day.
Nope, in.
Palm Day.
Scoot back. Come on, scoot back. Scoot back so you can get in the vehicle. Hold on to this and scoot back. There you go, all the way in. There we go.
Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.
Following the arrest, the suspect Aaron was transported to the Melbourne Police Department for further processing.
All right, I am Officer. Please state your full name and date of birth.
Wait, what's his first name?
Sorry.
Okay. I put it on here then.
Can you state your full name and date of birth for me? Hey, state your full name and date of birth. Alright, this is being videotaped for the courtroom presentation in the event it goes to court. I am now requesting that you perform several physical and verbal exercises to determine your ability to perform the exercises and follow simple instructions. Do not begin any exercises until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Do you have any physical impairment that would prevent you from standing on one foot or walking a straight line? No? Do you wish to do some field sobriety test? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Do you want to do field sobriety test? Can you verbalize that for me? Yes or no?
You willing to provide a breath test?
Are you willing to provide a breath test for me? Where you blow into a machine? Are you willing to provide a breath test? Yes or no? Would you take that as a no? All right.
Ultimately, the suspect refused to submit a breath alcohol sample. The defendant was charged with driving under the influence or DUI, refused breath sample after previous suspension, vehicle operation with open container of alcoholic beverage, and disorderly intoxication. On August 10, 2022, the court dismissed the first two charges, including DUI. On August 31, 2022, the defendant pled nolo contendere or no contest and was formally adjudicated as guilty. He was ordered to pay a total of $570 in costs and penalties. As of April 20th, 2023, the entire balance is outstanding. He was sentenced to 60 days in jail with 39 days credit time served. Aaron was not put on probation and further ordered not to return to the location of the offense for 6 months.